Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the Calendly booking page. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to change the duration or change the meeting location. How do you actually go ahead and about doing that? So what we're first going to do is log into our Calendly account, which looks like this right here. Next, you're going to click on one-off meeting. So basically click on any event that you have on your Calendly account. And so on the left-hand side, this is how you're going to edit your booking page. So you can change the event details, meaning you can change the name, the duration. You can change where you're going to meet your invitee. You can also add descriptions and instructions. In addition to that, you can edit the scheduling settings. So you can schedule how far into the future can people book appointments with you. You can set that to a date range. You could also have it set that they can book with you indefinitely into the future. You could also have it set so that it varies based on your availability. So this is my demo account here, but if you click on my demo name here, you'll see that people are able to book based on my availabilities here. Now, if I go back, you could also edit the buffer times. And what a buffer time is that when someone books an appointment, there's going to be a 15-minute buffer time after your appointment. But you can set buffer times to be before an event or after an event. Maybe before the event, you need to kind of prepare. And after the event, you just need a break. You could also set a minimum notice, meaning that how short in advance can people book an appointment with you. So normally I set this to 24 hours. You could also set a daily limit, which means that you want to set the maximum events allowed per day. So maybe you want to only take 7 appointments or events per day. And you could also set the time zone display and start increments. So that right there, guys, is how to edit the Calendly booking page. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.